Hi again, people. Obviously, I've been a little behind on my unboxings, so I'm getting them all done right now. Bam, bam, bam. But now it's time. It's time for the big daddy, big one. Boxy Charm Premium. Dun, dun, dun. I'm excited that they introduced this because, like, I love the normal Boxy Charm, but like a premium Boxy Charm monthly? What? I'm excited. So we're gonna see what's in here and see if it lives up to the hype. Ooh, I like the inside of the box of the big one. Look at that. It's blue. They be tripping. Cute. I like it more than the other one. That's cute. All right, what is... Oh, brushes? No way. I have 5 million brushes, but can never have enough. Whoa, look at the... Well, they feel good. So, it came with all these, I guess, Boxy Charm brand brushes. But wow, they feel good. I'm excited to use them. What? So cool. And they come in a little nifty packet for travel, I guess. Maybe. Alright, what else do we got in here? Kapari Coconut Rose Toner. I mean, it's a good idea, maybe, if people aren't allergic to coconut. But I happen to be allergic to coconut, so I'm giving this one to my mommy. But still, good value. What is this? Becca Glow Gloss. What is this lip gloss? This butter champagne cream. My hair looking all kind of mess today. Is what it is. I've had it look worse before. Oh, what? Look at that. What? Oh, all these swatches previously are from the basic Boxy Charm, I guess you would call it. Oh, look at that. That's pretty. Oh, and it's got little sparkles in it. Look. It's pretty sheer, but it's good if you like shimmer shit. We all know I love shimmer shit. Well, not like shimmer shit, but like things that are shimmery. Alright, so, ooh, like, I feel like Boxy Charm is really telling me that I need to take care of my my eyeballs, because here we have another eye cream. Intensive Eye Care, QMS, Day and Night Eye Cream. Okay, so I got eye masks, I got anti-wrinkle eye treatment, and then I got day and night eye cream. Alright, Boxy Charm, I get the hint, okay? Okay, I get the hint. I'm gonna start using all my eye creams religiously, okay? Problem solved. Alright, what is this shit? We got Dragon Beauty. I'm not sure what this is. Let's see. Let's see what's in here. Some orange shit. Huh. Like, what is this? Is this lip gloss? Is this? Let's see. Oh, it's a color corrector. Yeah, I guess that's a color corrector for under your eyes or something. The shit that I don't know how to use properly without looking like I have many colors under my eyeballs. But maybe I'll try with it some more. It feels nice, but now I'm just making a mess. Alright, ooh, we get another palette in the premium. Natasha Denona Bloom Blush and Glow Palette. Ooh, it's shiny. What? Ooh. Oh, hi, there's me. I was like, oh, what is that? Oh, cool. What? Okay, so it's got like shimmery blushes, and they're like fucking what do you call it? Powder. I'm a lot out of it today. They're powder blushes, and then up here there's like the cream, but like you know how when you get the fucking what do you call them? The palettes that have cream and powder in them, and the powder always mixes with the cream, and then the cream gets all really gross. Look at this, it's got like a little window. So it will protect. It will protect your valuables of your cream blushes. That's pretty cool. I like that. All right. I very much enjoyed that. And by subscribing to the Boxy Charm and the Boxy Charm Premium, I saved myself a trip to Sephora and literally hundreds of dollars. So, any of y'all out there that just love makeup and constantly need to have new makeup all the time, Boxy Charm Premium, and then next month comes my Boxy Luxe, along with the other boxes, so it's just gonna be like, whoa, mind blown. But thanks for watching, people. See ya.